Hi everyone, I'm Miss Olivia Rachel, and today I will be talking to you guys about my hair. This hair is Brazilian Kinky Straight. I got it in the lengths 14, 16, and 18, and I purchased the hair from this company called Mayvenn. Now, Mayvenn, I don't know how well known it is or not, but when I went on the site, they had this deal going on. It's like you buy 3 bundles and you get a free install. So of course I was curious. I was like, how y'all gonna pay for my install? Because I know one of the big reasons why I do my own hair is because I don't like to pay for somebody else to install hair that I paid for. Like, I don't know, I just feel like I can do it myself type deal. But yeah, I went ahead and checked out the site. I picked out some 3 bundles, 14, 16, 18 Kinky Straight, and I put in my zip code, and a lot of hairstylists in my area popped up. So that's good news. That way I don't have to get stuck with just one stylist, because sometimes more than likely every stylist does hair different. Every stylist's work is significantly different. So I did appreciate having an option on which stylist to do my hair. Also, Mayvenn is in partnership with this thing called QuadPay, where you can pay for the total of your hair in 4 split payments. So my hair was $260, but I think I got like a 10% discount, and then I ended up paying only $60 because of the QuadPay 4 payment thing. So every 2 weeks I pay $60, and then after 4 weeks or after 4 payments, my hair would be paid off. So that's good news. Also, I have a 25% off code, and I will link it in my description below. So if you do plan on shopping with Mayvenn, go ahead and use that code, girl. Save you 25% off. I did want to talk to you guys a little bit about the hair that I'm wearing right now. Like I said, it's Brazilian Kinky Straight, so it mimics African American coarse hair. And the hair, when it ships, I got mine really fast, like 2 days. But when it ships and gets to your house, it's going to be in a box, and it's going to come in 3 little baggies like this. This is the last one. This is the only one I kept. My stylist threw my other bags away. Like, she didn't even ask, but it's cool. But yeah, it comes in little bags like this, and I pretty much use all 3 bundles. This is literally like the rest of the hair that I had left, if you can see. Like, and it's very, very soft. Like I said, it mimics African American hair. This reminds me of hair like after you get a relaxer almost. And you know, I don't know if everyone was like this, but I know when I used to get relaxers, my hair would never be like just bone straight when it was wet, and when it dried, it would have like little crinkles and stuff in it. This actually reminds me a lot like relaxed hair. And I think that's why I like it so much, because it's easy to blend like my natural hair with. Also, the color is spot on. Like, it's pretty freaking good. Like, if we gotta just take a second and look at it for, like, this color is the bomb. I didn't bleach or dye it or anything. It just came like this. And so I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know. They also have, Mayvenn also has a lot of different types of hair, not just Brazilian Kinky Straight. They got Peruvian Silky Straight, they got Brazilian Silky Straight, Malaysian Silky Straight, they have Yaki, Deep Wave, Water Wave, Curly. They have so many different types of hair for you to choose from. They also have frontals, and that can also be used as a bundle, so you can get like a frontal and 2 bundles if you want. But if I were you, I'd definitely do like a frontal and 3 bundles, but you would still get that install for free. But yeah, just go ahead and check Mayvenn out. I would hate for you guys to miss out on such an opportunity to save money on hair and still rock the hair that you want. So yeah, thanks for watching.